Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by turning the built-in auto jump on so the engine handles timing for you. Open Roblox, tap the menu, then Settings and Accessibility. Enable auto jump. Once done, make sure your control scheme is mobile in controls so jump inputs map correctly. If you switch devices or skins, restart the game to load the setting. Doing this clears common misfires and lets you focus on the next step, mapping or scripting a repeat jump if the game allows it. Now you create a reliable input path. Make sure the on-screen jump button is visible and in a comfortable position. For consistent auto jump beyond built-in behavior, use an accessibility shortcut or a trusted macro/tap repetition app that simulates repeated taps on the jump button. This works when games don't block such tools. If you're in a Roblox place you can edit, add a short local script that triggers humanoid change state or humanoid. Jump equals true on a loop. This makes jumping consistent and less error-prone. Finish by testing and fine-tuning so your auto jump works in real play. You should try varying repeat intervals, about 0, 2 to 0. 5 seconds often matches Roblox animation windows. Once done, make sure latency isn't causing double taps by testing on Wi-Fi and mobile data. If the game actively blocks automated inputs, stop using macros, switch back to the built-in auto jump, or contact the developer. If things go wrong, clear app cache, re-enable settings, and retest to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.